Hi everyone, welcome back to the Altium Develop series. So in this video, we will learn how the Altium Develop version control works. For this, we will be tracking history by creating revisions and by controlling the revisions and comparing the revisions. So let's get started. So here is the well-known schematics which we are using from the start. Basically, we are just getting the concepts of Altium design and develop and using different options. So that's why we are using a single schematics. So here you can see it's the battery charger schematics sheet. So let's open it in our Altium design and develop by clicking on open project in Altium design and develop and close this one and save it to the server and click OK. Save first. After you open the project, you first save the project and then go back to the sheets. Open the sheets of the schematics here. One, two, three, four sheets are opened now, and here is your PCB. So I hope you already know how to release the project, how to create a release of the project. So I am releasing it by adding different files in the release: source file, fabrication files, and assembly files. And on the bottom right, you can see the option prepare. Click over here and it will start preparing the files, and just wait a second and then you can see this interface. It will check mark whoever is prepared. So the step file is prepared, assembly file is prepared, bomb file is prepared. All files are preparing now. I have added the step file in the fabrication as well, and the source file, and also in the assembly data. So it's prepared now, and we are in the fourth step, review data. We can review the files if we left with any file. So no, I will just release this with these files. So here I am writing release number 5 and pushing it to our workspace. So let's wait until it is uploaded. So yeah, it's almost done. Yes. So it's an execution report. Now I will save this release and go to the our workspace and will refresh the page. Let's initializing the view. So now you can see the release number 05 is over here. So the release comes in the workspace. So I can compare these different schematics or the releases with each other. In the history option, you can see here the release project released by the cat pacers November 17 9:52 p.m. and with the description is release number 5, and below you can see when you have committed, when the person committed the release. So here if you click on the three dots, you will see you can add a tag, or you can also use a filter to filter the activities in your history panel. So let's move back to the release option. Here if we see, we have different release. We have total 5 releases are there. I have created different release of this project just to let you know. So we can see how can we compare between different releases. Either it's a BOM compare, schematics compare, PCB compare, or a Gerber. So let's do first a BOM comparison. I am on A4, A5 rev, and I can compare it with A4, A3, A2, A1, and with external BOM sources as well. I am comparing it with A1. So It's loading the comparison of A5 rev uh, to A1 rev. So let's wait a few seconds, then it will load this. Here we go. Now it's the comparison between A1 and A5 BOM file. The red indicates the components removed from the BOM or removed from the schematics. If it is removed from the schematics, or it's obvious that it's removed from the BOM. So in yellow, it indicates something is modified with this component. So on the first line, first row, zero point 0.5 amp fuse, it was a fuse which I deleted from the schematics, protection schematics, so that's why it's in the red, which was present in the rev 1 but it's not in the rev 5. So 4.7 uf is basically the capacitor. If you click on this, you can see it was changed to 10 uf. So in this way we can see how the variant control is controlling the all the revs, and how can we download our previous revs as well, our previous releases, so we can keep track and keep track of all the history and all the revisions and project by the feature of version controlling in Altium Develop. Now let's see on the schematics level what is changed between A5 and A1 schematics files. So here you can see modified 3.3 volt D1 D2, added parameter with TVS up. I have changed the parameter for D2 to TVS up. So that's why it's written over here. And in the schematics, if you click on a specific uh, message, it will highlight in the schematics for the ease, so you can track if from where the thing is removed, the component is removed. So you can also see if any net name or net label is changed. So you can also compare the your revision with the previous revision PCBs. So let's see the comparison between PCBs. So let's wait a second. The comparison is in progress. You can wait or close the project. We will email you when completed. So if you close this page, that's not an issue. You will receive an email address on which you have registered your workspace on Altium 365. So you will receive that email and you can come back again. But it's taking too much long. Oh, now it's initializing view. So here is the PCB comparison between A1 and A5. You can see the yellow highlighted R7 because it's saying I have changed the position in rev 5 of R7. I have changed the position of R7 a little bit. You can also see the XY coordinates of the R7, which was previously there, but I changed to 316.97 mils to and 1898 mils. So in this way you can see the different versions of your schematics, PCB, BOM, and compare them with each other. You can also compare your schematics, PCB, BOM, or Gerber of one project to another project. Let's say you have two different projects. You want to compare whether is there any difference between the BOM files, or to check if you have those components to assemble the PCB. So it's best practice, so you can compare different project BOM with each other. So that's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching and follow us for the upcoming videos.